Today we are going to talk about the world we live in. It's so huge and unknown, but at the same time it's very interesting to study and research. We live on the planet Earth. It is round and has land, seas, oceans, continents, and countries. There are 6 continents on the Earth. The continents are Eurasia, Africa, Australia, the Antarctic, North America, and South America. The continents are very large. Oceans and seas wash them and separate them from each other. There are usually a lot of countries on each continent. There are more than 40 countries in Africa, but there is only one big country in Australia. Iceland is a tiny country. It is an island to the north of Europe. The United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy are in Europe, while China, India, and Vietnam are in Asia. Canada and the United States are in North America. The largest country in the world is Russia, the Russian Federation. The smallest country is the Vatican. It's called the Vatican City-State. People of different nationalities speak different languages. There are some countries in the world that are called English-speaking, because English is their official language. For example, the UK, the USA, New Zealand and Canada. But British and American English are a little different. People around the world differ a lot in their appearance, lifestyle, national culture, ideas, and beliefs. Each country has a national flag, an anthem, and its own traditions and customs, and it's very interesting to learn about them. It is helpful to use a globe or map to describe the location of the continents. The Earth's horizontal center line is called the equator. North is above it, and south is below. Longitude lines run from top to bottom, and the center line runs through England and Africa. To the left is west, and east is to the right. Let's revise and remember the main words to describe the location of the continents: north, south, west, east. There are 5 oceans on the world map: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. Scientists claim that there are nearly 90 seas in the world, but that number varies a lot according to different scientific theories. During this class, we're going to study various countries and the nationalities of the people who live there. Then we'll be able to understand and study more about their traditions.